Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure Google Photos is updated and you're signed into the right account. This avoids sync confusion. Open the photo you want to fix, tap Edit, then Tools and choose Magic Eraser or Erase. Start immediately on a duplicated image when possible so you preserve the original. Once done, zoom into the area to remove distractions so the tool can analyze pixels accurately. Make sure to let the app process the selection before moving on. You now refine the edit by letting automatic selection make an initial pass. This is faster and often very accurate. If the result isn't perfect, switch to the brush or erase tool to add or subtract from the selection and zoom in for close edges. Small strokes beat big sweeps. Once satisfied, tap Preview to compare. If you see artifacts, undo and make smaller corrective passes so textures blend naturally. This step preserves shadows and avoids unnatural fills. You finish by saving the corrected image. Prefer Save Copy so the original remains available, and allow Google Photos to finish syncing so edits show on every device. Compare before and after to confirm skin tones and shadows remain natural. If needed, repeat selective corrections. If the magic eraser won't apply or creates weird fills, clear the app cache and update the app. If that still fails, open Google Photos on the web or use careful manual cloning in a dedicated editor as a fallback.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.